Now, the next most important thing is to be mindful about reading when you are in a public space. Now, you would wonder, why am I saying this? It's very important that you understand that there are people around you. Many of us may have a habit of reading out aloud. But when you are in a public space, be very mindful that you're not disturbing the others around you. The books that you read should be in a very soft tone, or if you can read it without saying a word out, it would be great. There are places that we would go to, be it libraries or crossword bookstores or Oxford bookstores. In places like these, it is very important to understand that the others around us are also there for the same reason as us. May it be in cafes. Always, when you go to cafes, you might see that the cafe section is on the lower floor and the bookstore is on the above floor. Or if it's on the same floor, it is also taken care that there is not too much sound in that space. So be very mindful while you are reading a book in a public space.